Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Asana versus Monday.com. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now both Asana and Monday.com have the same feature, or mostly majority of its feature are practically the same. The main differences that I have encountered or noticed are the different data that you can view. For example, here on the fields of Asana, these are only the available field types that you can check out. But in Monday.com, when you click on Add Column, you have this Core CRM, and you already have all of this as well. More columns under here, you have the Essentials and Super Useful, which is already more than the available fields in Asana. Then you can click on more columns as well, and there's a lot more that you could add to your board. So therefore, the data or the available data that you will be able to present in Monday.com is much more and much more useful than Asana. So in today's versus, Monday.com is the winner. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.